Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about what you can do to build your credit when you're broke. So I mean broke. Like you probably can't even spend more than $5 to do something with your credit. I'm going to show you what you all can do to start building your credit, boosting your credit scores. And I'm going to try to keep it around that $5, maybe even $10 because I want to go down to the point where for those people that just can't do anything. I want to get down there and help you all too. Cause I remember being there, like I can't get a secure credit card. Secure what? I don't have money for that. I remember being like that at one point in time. So I want to help you all figure out what you can do to actually boost your credit score. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you all to get a copy of your credit reports. So you guys can get a free copy of your credit reports and you can see what your credit scores are when you get your reports with a 2-week free trial from Aura. So I partnered with Aura before. I have a special link that you guys can use to get that 2-week free trial. So make sure you guys look down below in the comments. I have that for you. But you guys will get your first 2 weeks free. And you'll get a copy of your credit reports and you also get a copy of your credit scores. But you need to know what your credit scores are too, because that's going to kind of gauge where you're at in terms of getting more credit cards or even boosting your credit score. You got to know where you're starting. So if you guys decide to keep them, they're as low as $12 per month, which is really good. You guys will still get like the antivirus, the password management. You guys will get a lot of member support. You guys will have that $1 million coverage with the identity theft. So definitely stay with them. But first, that's up to you guys because I don't know where your budget is at. But first, you want to know what's on your credit reports and know what your credit scores are. Now, the reason why your credit scores is low is because you probably have negative accounts in your credit reports. And you probably need to get those negative accounts removed. I mean, like charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, everything that's negative, that's bad. You really need to get that off of your credit reports. And a lot of times, those things are not 100% accurate, so you're able to get it deleted. Now, before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Okay, let's get into it. Now, once you get your credit reports from Aura, make sure you use that link down below. Once you get your credit reports from Aura, then I want you to look down below because I have a round 1 letter I want you guys to send out. Now, some people may not even heard about credit, and I kind of want to go down to that level too, like you haven't heard about it. So you got 3 different credit bureaus. When you get your credit reports, you have to figure out what account is bad, like something that says charge-offs, collections, and then you want to list them on this letter here. Now I have a full video teaching y'all exactly how to do this. And you guys can watch that, learn fully how to do it. But this is the letter that you all will send, and I wanted you guys to see it. So what you have to do is just put your name here, your address, your social security number, your date of birth. I have the addresses to each credit bureau, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. I have it down below. You want to go ahead and fill it in here, put the date here, and then change where it says Dear Credit Bureau. You can put Dear Equifax, Dear TransUnion, Dear Experian. And then each account that you want to get deleted, you got to put the account name. And then right after the account name, put that account number on there. So say, let me give you an example really quick. Say if it is Capital One. Yes, it's Capital One. Let's put it on there. If it's Capital One, you want to go ahead and put Capital One and put whatever the account number is and put it exactly how you see it on your credit reports. And then that's it. Then you want to go ahead and put the next count on the next row. Now, repairing your credit is much deeper than this, but I want you guys to just get started. I want you guys to do something. A lot of people don't understand that when you send out the letter to the credit bureaus, a lot of times you're going to see accounts be deleted. Most likely like 90% of the times that first month. So just do it. Just try. Credit is much deeper. I have my exclusive credit membership. If you guys want us to send this out for you, it will be cheaper for us to send it out if you just sign up for that $1 trial. And if you were to cancel it before the 7 days, it'll be cheaper for us to send it out. So if you need us to send it out, go ahead, just pay the $1 and then do the $1 trial. Complete the steps. You're going to get a text message, complete those steps, and then we can do this for you. And if you want to stay with us, stay with us. Let us hook you up. Let us help you repair your credit and guide you where you need to go, especially if you want to buy a house, because I can help you through that full process. But this is just part of it. Now, if you decide you want to do it yourself, I know you're getting this letter. It's a free letter, so you don't have to pay anything, but you have to pay for postage, which is going to be 55 cents per letter. So 55 times 3. That's how much you will have to spend to send out the letters. Now, a lot of people see a lot of accounts get deleted and their credit scores go up a lot. So do not think, I'm not going to do this step. This is like one of the most important steps. because your credit scores go up so much from getting accounts deleted. Nobody want to give you credit if they see that you did not pay all these other companies back. Who's going to want to give you credit? So you want to really follow those steps and get that deleted. Like that's day one to get that done. Now the credit bureaus have 30 days to respond. So I say give about 35 days to see your full results. Sometimes 40 days. But check your Credit Karma. If you kept your aura, you should have your credit scores getting updated on there. And yeah, you see what your results are. But that's just, this is like ground zero. We ain't even started yet. You have to send out these letters. Seriously. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is you have to get accounts put onto your credit reports. Not only do you have to take the bad stuff off, you have to put some good stuff on there. So what I want you all to do is I want you guys to sign up for these two companies because they'll report to the credit bureaus without you even putting money on the credit card or even going forward with it. So the first one I want to talk to you guys about is Extra. So with Extra, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. I sent a report to a client's credit reports and they did not even spend any money. They reported to the credit bureaus and it made their credit score go up some. So the thing is, when you take bad accounts off, you want to add positive accounts onto your credit reports. And that's what's going to help boost your credit score. So I want you to sign up for the Extra card. I'm going to make sure I tag my video about the Extra card. Check out that video because I don't want to make this like a real in-depth video. I want you to check out my other videos and get more information on each piece of what you're doing. But check out that video. And then next one, I want you guys to do the Sable credit card. So with this one, it's like the same thing. You basically signing up and they're going to send you a credit card that they want you to use, but it's kind of like a debit card. It's going to basically report to the credit bureau as a credit card, and them reporting is what's going to boost your credit scores up. So like I said, too, check out the video. I have videos on both of these credit cards to get more information, but both of these cards are going to actually report to the credit bureaus and you don't have to put any money down. That's like the best part. They're going to report. That's all we want them to go ahead and do. Now, when they report you guys, you want to see your credit score go up. Remember I said broke. It's different levels to broke for people. Everybody in different levels. But if you're broke, you can't put any money down. You was like, oh, Rickita, I was hoping that I only had to spend $5. Then no, you don't have to worry about putting any money on it. They're still going to report. But if you can put some money on that card, go ahead and do it and actually cooperate with the card so that you can keep it going. My thoughts for the people that's really, really broke. I want you to get to the point where your credit is boosted up so much that a lot of times you're broke because your car note is just too much. I want you to boost it up enough so that you can refinance your car, get a better payment, and then you have more money to now go ahead and put money on these different cards because you not have money to build your credit. But if you're really broke, don't worry about putting money down. But if you can put money down, definitely put the money down on these cards. The next account I want to talk to you guys about is Kickoff. Now, Kickoff is going to require some money, but it's still good for the people that's technically broke, right? We're going to put the quotation marks on there because we want to stay under that $5 mark. Now, with this one, they'll report a $500 credit line to your credit reports. It's going to boost your credit score up. I talked about a client where their credit scores went up 74 points from this company. That's going to change a lot of people's lives. So I always tell people about Kickoff. I make sure I have that link down below for you guys too. So go ahead and sign up for them. But with this one, you will have to pay $2 for the first month, and then you'll have to continue to pay $2. Now I was thinking, okay, we can stay under the $5 technically, but you're only gonna be under that $5, I believe, for your first payment is going to be due in about 6 weeks. So you won't have to pay that $2 until about 6 weeks, but you will have to pay $2 per month. Now, some people may say that they don't have $2 to pay, but you find it. Like, just in case you don't have the money, I want to make sure I have this for those people, because I talk to a lot of people that don't have money, like they're really struggling out there, and I want to make sure I tell you guys what you can actually do. But find the money to do whatever you have to do and to get that $2 on there. But this is going to really change your life. So I want you all to sign up for that Kickoff account. Now, if your money is larger, you have more money, keep that Kickoff account as long as you can. Pay the $2 per month and at least have it for a year, because if you follow this video and then you later on follow my other videos, your credit score is going to be in the 700s and you're not going to really care too much about this type of account because you'll be able to have regular credit cards. But try to keep this one open for a year if you can. Now, Kickoff have a new account right here. It's the credit builder loan. So with this one right here, my payment is due in 8 days. They're automatically taking $10 out of my account every month, and they're doing that for 12 months, and then they're reporting to the credit bureaus that I'm paying on time. So if your money is longer, you're not broke, go ahead and sign up for the credit builder loan. And you guys are going to see that that's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, and it's only $10 per month. And like I said too, yeah, you're paying $10 per month right now, but it's kind of an investment because you're going to get that $120 back. So you got to pay it for 12 months. You're going to get that $120 back, and it's basically them reporting for free for you. So definitely sign up for that kickoff account. Now, you guys missed the last one that they had. So y'all got to stay on track of what I'm doing because they already had a free one where you ain't had to pay the $2. Y'all missed out on that. They reported to the credit bureaus, basically having you pay $1 per month, but it was really $1 in their system. It was real good, but y'all have to stick around and see these different type of accounts, because they reported to the credit bureaus. And the first time that I signed up for Kickoff, my credit score went up 37 points. So ever since then, I always promote Kickoff because I know it's going to help y'all. So now y'all already did, wait, first, let's go back to the beginning. First, y'all already sent out the letters at this point. Y'all signed up for the extra debit card. Y'all also signed up for the Sable credit card. And then y'all also went ahead and did that Kickoff. So now y'all should be, let's do the calculations on that because I want to make sure I am specific with these calculations. So we're at 55 cents times 3. So you had $1.65 for mailing out those letters, but you may have to buy an envelope. If you don't have envelopes, you got to buy envelopes. So let's add $1 on. Let's add $1 on to there. Let's do $1.07 for taxes. Oh, we had $2.72. Now I told you I had to do the kickoff too, so we got to put $2 on there. So let's add the $2 on there. Let's just add that on. That's $4.72, and then y'all got y'all letters sent out. Y'all need some paper. Go to the library and mail it out because y'all need to print it out. Go to the library. A lot of times it's like 10 cents, 15 cents. Y'all gonna be just over that $5 mark, but we made it to $5. Now, you guys need a lot of accounts you added to your credit reports. You're going to need just more than these accounts. Now, it's something called the shopping cart trick. Now, with the shopping cart trick, you can get credit cards like, you guys can get like Victoria's Secret credit cards. And you can get these credit cards without them even checking your credit reports or looking at your credit scores. And that's what you really want because your credit is bad. You don't want them really to look at your credit. But this is totally legal, you guys. It's basically you act like you're going to buy something, and I'll make sure I tag the video. You act like you're going to buy something for $200. You go to the cart, and then you're going to get a pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for this credit card. So you guys have the option of getting like credit cards like the Victoria's Secret credit card. You guys can get the Express credit card. You guys can get the Overstock credit card. Somebody got approved for, I believe, $4,000 with the Overstock. And it's more credit cards that you guys can actually try. So I have this trick. I want you guys to watch the video on how to get it to work. Everybody can't do it. I got a video to remind y'all. Everybody cannot do it. Like, seriously, everybody cannot do the shopping cart trick. But if for some reason you can't get the shopping cart trick to work, or you want us to try for you, go ahead and look down below because we can actually try the shopping cart trick for you. So let us go ahead and try to do the shopping cart trick for you if you want us to try it. But you have options, but you need to get more credit cards. Now, as you see your credit scores go up, and I think that your credit score should be going up in like it depends on when you start. I will say like 2 weeks all the way up to like 6 weeks. 2 to 6 weeks, you should really see your results just coming in back to back, all this stuff happening at one time, right? You're going to see your results come in. As soon as you see your credit scores go up, that's when you want to try to jump on like regular credit cards. And when I say regular credit cards, there's credit cards where you don't have to put any money down on them. They're not secure credit cards. But if your credit score is still really low, you want to send out more letters to make sure that the negative accounts come off. And that's most likely the reason why your credit score is still staying low, because now you have things reporting. And I want you to try to get cards like the Capital One. Capital One can pre-approve you for a credit card without checking your credit reports and without checking your well, they're going to check your credit reports, but without giving you a hard inquiry. I'm sorry. It's without giving you a hard inquiry. So I definitely want you guys to try Capital One, but try to see if you can get pre-approved. Don't just go in applying for a credit card. Try to see if you can get pre-approved for them. And also, you guys have Discover. Now, there's other credit cards that you guys can get, and I want you guys to try them. So you guys can try to see if you can get the Milestone credit card. You guys can try to get the milestone credit card. That's a credit card that you guys can possibly get. It's a pre-qualification for it. It's a pre-qualification for you guys to try to get this credit card. And on top of that too, they don't have, you guys can possibly have like no annual fees. That's one thing I like about this credit card. But there's other credit cards that you guys can actually get. Check out my other videos. I'm going to make sure I link those for you. But if you guys are really broke at this point, you guys know that you guys only have to pay a little over $5 to get your credit scores up. And I feel like your credit scores can go up like 50 to 100 points by doing this. I can't guarantee anything, but I've seen this done a lot of times. Getting accounts deleted for sure is going to boost your credit score up. And then also too, when these accounts start reporting, you're going to really see your credit scores go up. Don't forget that person got 74 points, you guys, by doing that one kickoff account. They didn't do anything else. They did that one kickoff account. So now you guys have multiple things that you can do. You should really see your credit scores go up. Now, don't forget, I have my exclusive membership. I can help you all out. If you guys want more help, definitely let me know. You guys can sign up for my exclusive membership and I can help you all out. But it's only $1 to sign up, and we can actually send out that first round of letters for you if you want us to. But just go ahead and follow the steps. And I have a link down below too. Schedule a call with me if you have any questions. I'm now accepting calls. So if you guys want to go ahead and schedule a call, go ahead and schedule a call. If I'm available, then we can go ahead and talk during that time. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.